Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going over the 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025, top picks tested and reviewed. I've put each model through real-world cleaning tests to find the most powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cordless vacuums on the market. From long battery life and strong suction to easy maneuverability and smart features, we'll help you decide which one is worth your money. Let's jump right in and find the perfect cordless vacuum for your home. On number 1 is the Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum, BU3523, is a lightweight, rechargeable cordless vacuum designed for everyday cleaning with the convenience of an auto-empty base, reducing how often you have to handle dust and debris. It features a HEPA filter that helps trap fine particles and allergens, making it a good choice for homes with pets or allergy concerns. The included exclusive motorized hand tool is especially effective at picking up pet hair and ground-in dirt from furniture, stairs, and upholstery. In real-world use, the stick format feels nimble and easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, and the battery delivers solid runtime for quick to moderate cleans. Pros: lightweight and portable design, convenient auto-empty system, effective pet hair pickup with motorized hand tool, HEPA filtration, and cordless freedom. Cons: as a cordless stick, it has limited runtime compared with corded models. The auto-empty base takes up some floor space, suction isn't as powerful as larger upright vacuums, and the dust cup on the handheld tool is relatively small. The HEPA filter requires periodic cleaning and replacement. Overall, it's a great option for everyday maintenance and pet owners who want a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum, but not ideal as the sole machine for heavy cleaning or whole-home deep cleans. On number 2 is the Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cordless stick vacuum that balances strong suction with lightweight convenience for everyday cleaning. Its 185 AW suction and 3 power modes let you tackle dust and debris on hard floors and carpets, while still offering runtime control. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free battery life, it handles medium to large areas on a single charge, though heavier modes shorten runtime. In real-world use, it deep cleans floors, lifts embedded dirt, and detangles pet hair reasonably well, transitioning smoothly between floor types. The ability to convert to handheld expands its utility for stairs, upholstery, car interiors, and above-floor dusting. Pros: strong suction for a cordless model, versatile power modes, up to 60-minute runtime, effective on multiple surfaces, and easy handheld conversion. Cons: battery life drops in max mode, accessories cost extra, dustbin is modest in size, and premium price versus basic cordless competitors. Some users find it a bit heavy during long extended cleaning sessions. Overall, it's a very good mid to high-end cordless vacuum, ideal for pet owners and households wanting powerful suction and flexibility without a cord, but not the absolute longest runtime if deep cleaning whole homes regularly. On number 3 is the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty is a cordless stick vacuum with an auto-empty base that combines strong suction and lightweight ease for everyday cleaning. Its PowerDetect suction delivers reliable performance on both hard floors and carpets, helping lift pet hair, dust, and debris with minimal passes. The HEPA filtration captures fine particles and allergens, making it a solid choice for pet owners and allergy sufferers. The auto-empty system reduces how often you need to handle dirt, holding multiple cleanings worth of debris in the base. In real-world use, it feels nimble and portable, great for quick pickups and regular maintenance. Pros: powerful suction for a cordless stick, HEPA filtration, effective pet hair pickup, convenient self-emptying base, and easy maneuverability. Cons: battery life can be limited on high-power modes, the dustbin on the handheld vacuum is smaller than some rivals, the base takes up floor space, and accessories are relatively basic. Some users report that deep cleaning thick carpets can require extra passes compared with larger uprights. Overall, it's a very good choice for daily home care, especially in pet households, but not a complete replacement for a full-size vacuum if you need heavy-duty cleaning frequently. On number 4 is the Honeywell Smart Cordless Vacuum, VC14, is a lightweight 10-in-1 stick vacuum designed for versatile cleaning across floors, carpets, upholstery, and tight spaces. Its automatic adjustment feature adapts suction power roughly based on surface type, making transitions between hard floors and low-pile carpets smoother. With a 3000 mAh battery and up to 70 minutes runtime, it provides long cordless operation for medium-sized homes or routine cleanups. In real-world use, it handles pet hair and everyday debris well, and its multi-tool set lets you tackle stairs, furniture, and car interiors. The rechargeable design and absence of cords add convenience and freedom of movement. Pros: long runtime for a cordless model, versatile accessories, good everyday pickup on various surfaces, automatic adjustment, and lightweight portability. Cons: suction isn't as powerful as premium cordless vacuums, small dustbin requires frequent emptying, filters need regular cleaning, and the automatic adjustment can be inconsistent on thick carpets. Some users find assembly and tool swaps a bit fiddly. Overall, it's a good value option for general household cleaning and pet hair, especially for users who want flexibility and runtime, but not ideal if you need heavy-duty deep clean performance like that of higher-end models. On number 5 is the Eureka NEC 451BL Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight, rechargeable stick vacuum designed for everyday cleaning on hard floors, carpets, and pet hair with easy maneuverability. Its anti-tangle brush roll helps reduce hair wrap, meaning fewer clogs and less frequent maintenance, a big plus for pet owners. With cordless freedom, it's easy to grab and use for quick cleanups without wrestling cords around furniture. In real-world use it handles dust, crumbs, and light debris well and transitions between floor types smoothly. The suction is solid for routine cleaning, though not as powerful as premium cordless models. Pros: lightweight and easy to use, anti-tangle brush roll, good everyday performance, cordless convenience, and pet hair friendly. Cons: runtime is limited compared with higher-end cordless vacuums, dustbin size is modest and needs frequent emptying, suction isn't top tier for deep cleaning, and the filter needs regular attention. Some users may find it less effective on thick, high-pile carpets. Overall, it's a good value option for regular households and pet owners wanting a simple, easy-to-use cordless stick for daily maintenance, but not ideal as a sole deep cleaning machine for large spaces. On number 6 is the Eureka Stylus Elite NEC 490BL Cordless Stick Vacuum combines 350W powerful suction with a self-emptying station to make regular cleaning more hands-off and efficient. Its anti-tangle brush roll helps reduce hair wrap, making it especially good for pet owners and long-hair households. The 60-minute runtime on a single charge provides solid coverage for medium to large-sized homes without frequent recharging. With 5-layer HEPA filtration, it captures fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. In real-world use it transitions well between hard floors, area rugs, and low-pile carpet, picking up pet hair, debris, and everyday dirt with ease. The self-emptying base cuts down on frequent bin emptying and keeps your hands cleaner. Pros: strong suction power, useful self-emptying station, HEPA filtration for allergens, anti-tangle brush roll, and long runtime. Cons: it's larger and heavier than ultralight sticks, the self-emptying station takes up floor space, filters need regular maintenance, and performance on thick high-pile carpets is good but not elite. Battery life can dip in max power mode. Overall, it's a great choice for pet owners and busy homes seeking powerful, low-maintenance cleaning across all floor types.